Next, you are going to install the two plastic side clamps. First, thread the loose end of the clip's elastic cord through the first hole below the 3-hole gusset as demonstrated here. Thread the cord into one side of the plastic cord clip. Loop it back and through the opposite side of the clip. Tie an overhand or figure-8 knot in the end of the cord to keep it from pulling out of the clip. Pull the excess cord through the clip as shown. Repeat on the other side of the frame. Your side clips will now be handy and adjustable whenever you need them.